Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you fix something went wrong in TikTok. If you see such information or if you see some option, then what you need to do is to fix it. So basically you just need to make sure to open up TikTok and click the profile initials. Then tap on the gear icon or the menu bar from the top right, go to settings and privacy, and there comes this section where you need to scroll down a bit, and then you have these data servers. Then you have these free up space. You could go ahead and clear your cache. Now click on the confirm button, after which you also want to exit out of TikTok, long press, and then go to the app info icon, and there comes the storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. That's going to help you out. And apart from it, what you could also do is reinstall, or maybe at the same time restart your device. That's going to help you out to fix. So these are some of the things you could try to fix something went wrong in TikTok app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.